shelter immediately. Tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately. Shelter immediately.
So I'm at my mom's. So I'm not at home. I'm just kind of worrying because that end of town seems closer to whatever's getting ready to come through here. Peggy's at the house by herself. Mom and them all just went downstairs. I don't know. It's bright back through there. That don't necessarily mean something in a tornado. I almost want to go home and check on Peggy, but I don't have a basement. I have a mattress in the hallway. So nothing's happened yet, but I just checked the radar and it's just at the interstate, which is 2 or 3 miles back the way I'm pointing, I think. The kids are downstairs in what we call the hole. They've got their helmets on. It's funny we call it the hole. And the kids hear the siren. They say, oh, we got to get in the hole. I don't know, the temperature's dropped a lot, which makes me think maybe we're in the safe, but you never know with tornadoes. And see, it could be storming awful at my house right now and not be storming here, so. I am heading back to my house to see what has gone down. I would guarantee that the direction the wind was blowing and how hard it was blowing and how hard it was raining, that my kitchen is probably full of water. There's some pictures going around on Facebook of what looks to be funnel clouds out what we call the other exit. I don't know why everybody calls it the other exit, but it's exit 77 where Tractor Supply and all that stuff is. So I don't know if there's been any damage. I don't know. I've not heard any like emergency sirens since the tornado siren went off, so that's a good sign. But me and Mom were looking at the radar and it was pretty clear there was a hook in the radar right over the west end of town. Reckon what has happened here? Car wreck. Oh gosh. How did that happen? I think everybody's alright though. Everybody looks alright. I'd say that happened in that storm because as hard as it was raining, I can't imagine anybody would see. Especially right there at that curb. It looks like they've missed the curb and hit the pole. Everything still looks like it's in one piece over here. There's a tree down. I don't know if that even showed up. Well, do y'all remember the big snake skin I found the other day? I don't think this is the same. It might be the same snake. Is that a snake? Yeah. Oh, he's a big one. That's an old cow sucker. He knows I'm here. Don't look real happy. Huh. Oh, he's just ate something. That looks too small to be the skin I found.